Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been so long between updates, but honestly, not much has been happening. We're kind of in a little bit of limbo. We're waiting for our suspension parts to get here still. I'm assured they'll be here by the end of the month, so we'll see about that. So we really haven't been doing a whole lot. The car, though, is running and driving pretty well. Got the brakes all dialed in. Most of the lights work. No tail lights yet, so we're not driving at night, but all the signals, brake lights, all that kind of stuff works, so it's legal for daytime driving. And the big deal is finally we've got a temporary registration. So this was like 2 months in the making. We really wanted to keep the original license plates because they're original to the car, 6-digit year of manufacture plates, which are pretty cool. You don't see those around that often, so it was a big deal to us to try to keep those. But that meant, the DMV had to go through a bunch of extra paperwork, title search, all that kind of stuff. We had to take it to the CHP to get the VIN number verified, which that was really no big deal. But we got the whole paperwork package done, and the DMV was supposed to send that to Sacramento for final verification, and took 5 trips back to the DMV. They never actually sent it. So it turns out they had to see the license plates in person before they would send it off. So finally we got that done. We cannot run the plates on it yet until we get that back. Hopefully that'll be here, I don't know, a month or two. But today we're going on a road trip. So we've put a new trunk floor in, as you can see. Just don't want anything falling through that. The holes in the trunk are getting pretty bad, so we don't want to put anything back there without some support. So we got a couple chairs, a hat, some tools. We're going to load up a few more things, but we are headed out to El Mirage dry lake bed, which is about 40 miles from here, maybe about an hour drive. And they're doing land speed race trials today. So it's like Bonneville, but they do it on dirt. And the course is much shorter. It's only 1.3 miles long. And so it's really cool. David Freiberger, who's one of the guys that we watch from Roadkill, is going to try to set a new record today in his Camaro. I believe he's gone 208 miles an hour. He's trying to up that today, so we're loading up. Gonna stuff a bunch of drinks in the cooler. It's the middle of the desert out here, so it gets pretty warm. We expect it to be close to 100 today. And waiting for our buddy Justin, and then we're gonna head out. So come along for the trip. Should be a good time. All right, Justin is here. So we're gonna load up our crap and get out of here. So we'll take you along for the ride.
I think it blew a tire.
Dude, I think he wrote.
Out to me because we want you to come racing. We don't want you to get frustrated. You know what I mean? Yeah. So no, I figured this weekend was one of these weekends. That was my fault.
Upside down.
I was probably showing Randy how to look at them.
So this one's Banshee powered, which is 2-stroke 350 cc, kind of like an RZ. This is a really cool bike.
Shake all this out and get all the juju out of it. Look, I can only get one hand for that, son. Get this. No, you're gonna be worth this shit. Come here. Hold it. Now shut up and walk. Give it a good shake. Give it a good shake. Just keep on shaking. Keep on shaking. Keep on shaking. Go on. Go on. Go on.
Keep shaking.
Go on. Shake. Shake. Shake the tree, boss. Shake the tree. Go ahead. Come on. Alright. What I'm gonna do is we start spinning it, alright? I want to spin it like that right there. Get that out of that. You're gonna have to spin the parachute. Which way? Drop the other. There you go.
Here they got Ryan helping pack the chute.
That's good. That's good.
That's Keith. He owns the car right there. So they're straightening out the lanyard now. I guess he's gonna learn how to pack it.
Your pack parachute. What are you doing? Are you the expert or not? What? Get over here. Why are you standing back there?
Rhino.
Bring all your junk.
Oh, there it is, yeah.
Why are you so smiley?
Come on, Sugar Britches. We got Sugar Britches. All right. Right over here. Right over here. Yeah, and the reason being is I don't want to set it. Hey, it's no big deal if we get this wrong. It's only Freiburger's life. No big. Just saying. You know?
You can be the kid responsible for that.
You know what a jam is? Except you're probably a complete face balloon. Oh, hey, Williams?
Yeah.
Would you be kind enough to feed the parachute back through the console? It's the red thing that's about a mile out, and put it back in.
All right, so we just got to meet David and Keith, which was really cool. So they're heading back to the line. They said they made a rear end gear change, and they're gonna try And again, he's shooting for like 209 miles an hour. The record is 208. He wants to bump it just a little bit. So we'll see what happens.
That's that red car.
Is he?
When we were driving past the pits, I saw it over there.
It's like loud.
The little truck got back to the truck.
All right, that's a wrap on El Mirage. Good times.